So trigonometry, question number 1. If sin theta is equal to x and sec theta is equal to y, then tan theta is equal to xy, x by y, y by x, and 1 by xy. So this is very simple. So according to question, the value of sin theta is given, tan theta is equal to what? X. And sec theta is equal to what? Y. So from this sec theta, we can find the value of what to say? Cos theta. Because cos theta and what to say? Sec theta are reciprocal to each other. That means if value of sec theta is y, and cos theta will be what to say? Cos theta will be 1 by y. Because what? Cos theta is equal to what? 1 by sec theta, and sec theta is equal to what? 1 by cos theta. Okay. So as you notice, what? You need to find the value of tan theta. So that means tan theta is equal to, as you know, that tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by what theta? Cos theta. So we know the value of sin theta, cos theta. Sin theta, the value of sin theta is equal to what? X. Right? And value of cos theta is equal to what? 1 by what to say? 1 by y. Right? Value of sin theta is equal to x, and value of what to say? Cos theta is equal to 1 by y. So if you divide fraction by fraction, then again you have to use the formula reciprocal. So this is what is it? This is x. Means this is numerator and this is divide, and this is a denominator. So first you write x. In place of divide, if you write multiply, and this will be what? This will be reciprocal, means what to say? Y by y. Okay? Because you know that if you divide 2 by 3 by 4 by 7, so how will divide? First you write 2 by 3, then in place of divide, what come? Multiply symbol come, then this 4 by 7 will become what? 7 by 4. Okay, so we simplify. So x into y by 1 means x y by 1. So anything divided by 1 means what? Same thing will come. So this is the answer. So which option will be correct? So option A. Okay. So question number 2. Given that sin theta is equal to a by b, then tan theta is equal to b by root over a square plus b square, and b, option b by root over a square minus b square, and option c, a by root over a square minus b square, and the option d, a by root over b square minus a. So this is also very simple. So given that sin theta, so sin theta is equal to what? A by b. We need to find the value of what? We need to find the value of tan theta. Tan theta means what? So tan theta means that is sin theta by what to say? Cos theta. So we have the value of what? Sin theta. You need the value of what? Cos theta. So how will find the value of cos theta? So for finding the value of cos theta, we can use trigonometry identity number 1. So identity number 1 is what? Identity number 1 is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I need to value of what? I need the value of cos theta. So that means I can write, if I write in cos square theta in same place, so what will get? Cos square theta is equal to what? This goes to that side. So 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta is equal to what? 1 minus sin square theta. But I need the value of cos theta. So if you remove the square from cos theta, then here what is it? So you will get what? Cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. So how I got? By taking root in both sides. By taking root on both sides, you will get cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. So root over 1 minus sin square theta means, so I know the value of what is the sin theta. So 1 minus sin square theta. What is the value of sin theta here? Sin theta means a by b. So we can write a by b whole square. So if you find the value of root this, then 1 minus a by b whole square means a square by what is it? B square. Isn't it? So if you take the LCM b square, then what will be? B square into 1 what is it? B square minus a square. Right? So this is very simple. If you separate the root, and if you give the root numerator and denominator, then you will get root over b square by a square divided by root over b square. And then we can write what? Root over b square by a square divided by what? B. Because as you know root over b square is equal to what? B. Yes or no? Because this is square, this and this get cancelled. So therefore cos theta, the value of cos theta, what we get? Root over under root of what? B square minus a square divided by B. So I need the value of sin theta, tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, and value of sin theta is equal to what? A by b, and value of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to what? root over b square minus a square by b, root over what, b square minus a square divided by b. Huh? So how will divide? If first you write a by b, this side write same. Again in place of this is what, divide. In place of divide, if you write multiplication symbol, then this will be what, reciprocal, means b by what to say, b by root over b square minus a square. Right? So b get cancelled, so answer will be what, a by root over b square minus a square. So which option will be correct? Option D is correct. Okay, so very simple. So question number 3, if 4 tan beta is equal to 3, then 4 sin beta minus 3 cos beta divided by 4 sin beta plus 3 cos beta is equal to 1. So this is also very simple. So according to question given that 4 tan beta is equal to what, 3. So from this we can find the value of tan beta. Tan beta is equal to what, 3 by 4. Tan beta is equal to what, 3 by 4. So tan beta is equal to 3 by 4. This is I consider equation number what to say, 1. I need to find the value of what, 4 sin beta minus 3 cos beta divided by what, 4 sin beta plus 3 cos beta. So I need to find the value of 4 sin beta minus 3 what, 3 cos of beta divided by what, 4 sin beta plus 3 what to say, cos of beta. So how will find? So this is your numerator, this is your what is it, denominator. If you divide both numerator and denominator by sin beta, then what we will get, see? So 4 sin beta minus 3 cos beta divided by what, I divide by what to say, divided by sin beta. You can divide it by cos beta also, because I have the value of what to say, I have the value of tan what to say, tan beta. So tan beta means sin beta by what to say, sin beta by what to say, cos beta. Sin beta by cos beta. So if you divide this by sin beta, you will get cot beta, and as you know that cot beta is equal to what, cos beta is equal to cos beta by what to say, sin beta. Is it not? Since tan beta is equal to 3 by 4, therefore what, cot beta is equal to what, 4 by 3. So we can use the value of cos beta. So that's why I divide numerator and denominator by what is a sin beta. So denominator is what, 4 sin beta, this is denominator, so this is sin beta plus 3 what to say, 3 cos of beta divided by what, divided by sin beta. So I divide numerator this and denominator this, both by what, sin beta. So if you divide both by sin beta, so then what will get, then we can write 4 sin beta divided by sin beta, because 4 sin beta by sin beta, then minus what to say, 3 cos of beta divided by what to say, sin beta. Yes or no? So same way in denominator also you can separate 4 sin beta by sin beta, yes or no, plus 3 cos beta divided by what to say, sin beta. So as you know that what to say, sin beta by cos beta is equal to tan beta, and cos beta by sin beta is equal to what, cot beta. So that means we can write 4 into what, sin beta by sin beta is equal to 1, 4 into 1 minus 3 what to say, cos beta by sin beta is equal to what, cot beta. Cot beta is equal to cos beta by sin beta, means cot means cos by sin. So cos beta by sin beta, so in place of cos beta by sin beta we can write what to say, cot beta. Then sin beta cancel, so here also write 1, 4 into 1, you can write 4 into 1, then plus 3 of what to say, cot of beta, 3 of what, cot beta, is it not? So this is very easy. So now if you put the value of cot beta, then 4 into 1 what, 4, and 3 cot beta, the value of cot beta is equal to what, value of cot beta is equal to 4 by 3. Value of cot beta is equal to what, 4 by 3. Since according to question given that tan beta is equal to what, 3 by 4. Tan beta is equal to 3 by 4. So that means cot beta is equal to what, 4 by 3, because cot beta is nothing but, cot beta is the what is a reciprocal of 1 by tan beta, reciprocal of tan beta. You can say cot beta is equal to 1 by tan beta. So that's why in place of cot beta we can write what, 4 by what is a 3. So this will be 4 by 3, and down, and denominator is equal to 4 into 1, 4, and plus 3, again we can write 4 by what, 3, yes or no? 3 3 get cancel, 3 3 get cancel. Then what do you get? 4 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 4. So which is equal to 0 by h. So 0, if we divide any number by 0, then we'll get us what is the answer is 0. So if we divide 0 by any number, so answer will be what? 0. Answer will be 0. So very simple. So that's why which option will be correct? Option, what is it? Option A. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. If ABC, what is it? Right angle at what to say B. If triangle ABC, right angle at what to say B. If tan A is equal to root over 3, then cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C is equal to what? Option A is 1, minus 1, B is 0, C is what to say? C is 1, and D is equal to root over 3 by 2. So very simple. So before going to discuss the question, so first I'll give the concept of what to say base, perpendicular, and what to say hypotenuse. So no, a right angle triangle has 3 sides, but all triangle has 3 sides, but right angle triangle has the name of the sides as are what? Base, perpendicular, and hypotenuse. Means every right angle triangles there will be what to say one base, one perpendicular, and hypotenuse. So hypotenuse means opposite side of 90 degrees. Suppose this is a triangle, this is a triangle. If I consider the name of the triangle was as ABC, in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So which means B is 90 degrees. So opposite of B is what? Opposite of B is AC. So opposite of B is what? AC. So this is called hypotenuse. HYPOTENUSE. We can consider H also. Right? So this is hypotenuse. So which side will consider generally which side? Generally this side. Base means downside is called base. Right? But every time you cannot consider this is base. So for base and perpendicular, so that is depend on what to say angle. If you consider angle A, so for angle A, this will be what to say, this will be base. So base means line between angle and line between given angle and what to say 90 degree angle. So this is I consider angle A. So that's why base will be what? Base will be AB. So if this will be base, then perpendicular will be what? So this will be the side BC will be what is called perpendicular. This side is called perpendicular. This one perpendicular means P. So perpendicular means PR. So is equal to what? BC. I think understand na? So always remember opposite of 90 degree means hypotenuse. Opposite side of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. And I consider angle A. For angle A, base is what? AB. So base means the line between given angle and 90 degree angle. The joining line between 90 degree and given angle is called what? Base. So for angle A, base I consider A. That's why base will be AB, because A containing what to say AB. So if AB will be base, then perpendicular will be what to say BC. If you consider angle C, because we consider cannot angle B, because B means 90 degree. Opposite of 90 degree is fixed. Always opposite of 90 degree means hypotenuse. But if you consider angle C, then same triangle. If I draw here, so same triangle, suppose name is what? ABC. And same triangle I draw, and B is 90 degree. That's why hypotenuse is fixed. HYPOTEN. Hypotenuse is equal to what? AC. But now I consider angle what to say angle C. So for angle C, base will be what? BC. This is angle, this is given angle, and this is 90 degree angle. So joining between 90 degree and given angle, joining line between 90 degree and given angle is called what to say base. So this will be what to say base. If this will be base, this will be what to say perpendicular. So base will be BC, and perpendicular will be what to say AB. So be careful. Be careful to select what to say perpendicular and base. Okay, now you move to our question. So our question is what? So our question is, according to question, ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a what angle triangle? ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. So angle B is equal to 90 degree means hypotenuse. So AC will be hypotenuse. Hai na? So according to question, given tan what to say? Tan A is equal to what? Root over 3. Tan A is equal to root over 3. So as you know that what the formula ratio formula of tan A is equal to what? P by B. Ratio formula of tan A is equal to what? P by B, which means I consider angle A. So that means this will be my AB will be my base. So this will be my base and this will be my what to say? Perpendicular. So tan A is equal to P by B. So is equal to root over 3. So root over 3 can be written as root over 3 by 1. So which imply the value of P will be what to say? Root over 3x. Why I multiply root 3 with x? Because this P by B, ratio between P by B, ratio of P by B is equal to what? Root over 3 by 1. So these are ratio. So for finding value, actual value, you have to multiply ratio with one constant. So that constant what I take? X. So that's the value of P will be root over 3x. And value of B will be what to say? Value of B will be 1x. You can write x also. So I have the value of perpendicular and then I have the value of what to say? Base. I don't have the value of what to say? Hypotenuse. So how will find hypotenuse? So for finding hypotenuse, we can use Pythagoras theorem. What theorem? Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras, so we know that what? Hypotenuse square is equal to what? P square plus what? B square. Is it no? So hypotenuse, I don't know the value of hypotenuse square. So I know the value of perpendicular. So perpendicular value is the value of P is what? Root over 3x. So in place of P I can write root over 3x, and this is whole square means whole square, and the value of base is what? 1x means x. We can write x square, na? So which imply a square is equal to root over 3x means 3 into 3, root over 3 into 3, and x square means x square, and this is x square. So which imply a square is equal to, so this is 3x square, this is x square. So here 3x square and here 1x square. So if you add, you will get 4x square, na? But I need the value of h, so that means h will be what? H will be root over 4x square. When taking square root on both sides, you will get the value of h will be root over 4x square, na? Because x square is equal to a, which imply x will be root over plus minus root over a, but we don't need minus, because these are what to say? Length. So h will be what? H will be root over 4 means 4 4 the what? Oh, sorry, 2 to the 4, that means root over 4 means 2, and x square means x. So therefore value of hypotenuse will be what? 2x. So that means I can consider the value of h is 2x, and perpendicular will be what? Root over 3x, and base will be what to say? X. Okay. So now I can simplify the question. Yes or no? So our question is what? Since ABC is a right angle triangle, if I draw the triangle again, so this is my triangle A what to say? B, C. So B is 90 degree. So B is 90 degree, opposite of B is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse will be what? The value of hypotenuse what I got? 2x. So for angle A, what? This is what? Base. And value of base also I know, value of base is equal to x. And perpendicular, this is perpendicular, value of perpendicular will be what to say? Root over 3x. Again, if I'll consider angle C, then for same triangle, this is triangle name is same, but if we change the angle, the value of base and perpendicular will be same. Now I consider angle at C. So for angle C, this is base, so base will be root over 3x. Yes or no? And hypotenuse is fixed, hypotenuse means 2x, and the value of perpendicular will be what to say? X. Okay, perpendicular will be what to say? X. So I need to find the value of what to say. Now our question is what? I need to find the value of what to say? Cos of A and cos of C, minus sine of A and what is it? Sine of C. Okay, cos A. So cos A, so how cos A means what is it? B by H. So for A, cos A, for finding the value of cos A, you have to consider this angle. The value of B is what? X. Value of B is what? X. And value of H is what? 2x. So which means x get cancel. So which means the cos A is equal to what? 1 by 2. So therefore you can write in place of cos A, we can write 1 by 2. And cos C. So find the value of cos C again. So cos C cos means base by hypotenuse. But for finding the value of cos c, you have to consider this triangle. So now in place of base, the value of base is what? Root over 3x, and value of h will be what? 2x. X as z cancel means cos a, x as z cancel means cos a will be root over 3 by 2. So in place of cos c, I can write root over 3 by 2. Yes or no? Same we can find the value of sin a. Sin a means what? Sin a means p by p, perpendicular by s. So sin a for angle a, you have to consider this triangle. So this triangle. So for a, this is base and this is p. Therefore value of p will be what? Root over 3x divided by h means 2x. So x's cancel, which equal to what? Root over 3 by 2. So in place of sin a, I can write root over 3 by 2. Yes or no? Same way you can find the value of sin c. Sin c is equal to what? P by s. But now I need to find the value of sin c. That means you have to see the triangle this. So for c, this is b and this is the value of p. Yes, and this is the value of hypotenuse. So therefore the value of p is equal to what to say? P is equal to x. So x, and value of h will be what? Value of h will be 2x. So value of h will be 2x. X cancel. So answer will be what? 1 by 2. So in place of sin c, I can write 1 by 2. Okay, not hard, very easy. So 1 into root 3 is equal to what? Root over 3. 2 into 2 is equal to what? 4. And root 3 into 1 is equal to what? Root over 3. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, answer will be 0. So which option will be correct? Option B. Option what to say? Option will be correct. Option B. Okay, very simple, but be careful to what to say? Consider the base and height. Okay, base, height, and what to say? Base and perpendicular. Angle sense means base and perpendicular also be sense. For angle A, this is base, and for angle C, this is base. So very easy. So if the angle ABC are in the ratio 1:2 respectively, then the value of sec A by cosec B and minus tan A by cot B is equal to option A. Option A is what? 0. Option B is 1 by 2. Option C is 1, and option D is root over 3 by 2. So according to question, ABC is a triangle. ABC is a what to say? Triangle. The ratio of angle A is to angle B, and angle C is to what? 1:1 what? 2. Which means the value of C will be what to say? 90 degree. That means you can consider the angle C is equal to 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, this will be A and this will be B. Why I consider angle C is equal to 90 degree? So how will find the value of C? So this is very simple. How will find the value of C? Angle C is equal to, as you know, angle C, the ratio of angle C is what? 2. So 2 by total ratio. Total ratio means what? Total ratio means 1 plus what? 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 what? 4. So 2 by 4 into 180 degree. Why I multiply by 180 degree? Because sum of triangle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle C means ratio angle C. So for finding the angle C, we can use what formula? Ratio of C divided by total ratio into what? 180 degree. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are what? 4. Again you can cancel 2 what is that? 2 90s are 180. So which means 90 into 1. So answer will be 90. So that means angle C is equal to what? 90 degree. So C is 90 degree. C is 90 degree means hypotenuse. The name of the hypotenuse will be what to say? AB. Yes or no? And the ratio of A is 1 and B is also 1. That means which means angle A is equal to 45 and B is also equal to 45. Why 45? Because total angle is 180 degree. Already C is 90 degree means this plus this also equal to 90 degree. That means this equal to 45 and this equal to also 45. So as you know that equal angle, opposite side of equal sides are what to say? Same. Opposite side of equal angle. So A and B are what to say? Equal. So opposite side of A is what to say? BC, which is equal to what to say? Opposite side of angle B is what? AC. That means if you consider this will be X and this will be also what to say? X. This will be X. So same So for angle A, if I'll consider angle A, then base will be what? Base will be x, and perpendicular will also be what to say? X. But I don't know the value of hypotenuse. So how will find the value of hypotenuse? So by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem implies, so for finding the value of h, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem implies a square is equal to what? Base square plus p square. Base square plus what is it? Perpendicular square. So what is the value of h? H value I don't know. H square is equal to b. B value is what? X. So x square plus p value also is x square. So h square is equal to 1x square 2x square. But I need the value of h. So h will be what is it? H will be root over 2x square. But 2 is a prime number, so you cannot remove that also. Root over 2x. X square root over x square means x. So I got the value of h is equal to what? Root over 2x. So if I draw the triangle again, so my triangle is what? A, C, what to say? B. So C is 90 degree means opposite side of AB is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse will be what? Root over 2x. And for angle A, this is base. Already I discussed in question number 4. For angle A, this is base, and base is equal to what? X. And this is what? Perpendicular. And perpendicular length of the perpendicular also be x. And for angle, what to say? For angle B, I draw same triangle again, and name also I given same AC, what to say? B. And this is 90 degree means hypotenuse will be what? Root over 2x. For angle, what to say? For angle B. Yes or no? So for angle B, this is B na? So this is base. You have to consider the base is what? BC. The length of base is equal to x, and length of the what is the perpendicular also you want to say x. Always remember, when angle will change, if you consider angle A, this is base, and for angle B, this is base. So now I need to find the value of what to say? I need to find the value of what? I need to find the value of sec A divided by what? Cosec B minus tan A divided by what? Cot of B. So very simple. First I will find the value of sec A. Sec A formula is for angle A. For sec A, for finding the value of sec A, we have to consider triangle this. So sec A means h by what? B. Hypotenuse by base. So what is the value of h here? H means root over 2x. So root over 2x divided by base means x cancel, means root over 2 by 1 means 2. So instead of sec A, we can put the value of root over 2. Same way you can find the value of cosec B. Cosec B formula is h by p. So for cosec B, because here mention angle B, so for cosec B you have to see this triangle. So h by b. H, what is the value of h? H value is root over 2. So root over 2x, and p value is what? P value is what? X. So x cancel. This is also root over 2. This is also what? Root of cosec B, h by p. So I see this triangle because for B this is base, and this is what to say? Perpendicular. This is perpendicular. So root over h means root over 2x, and p means x. X cancel, root over 2. Isn't it? So cosec B also root over 2. So minus, same way we can find the value of tan A. Again tan A is equal to what? Tan A is equal to perpendicular by what to say? Base. So for tan A, we have to see this triangle. So what is the value of p? Value of p is what? Value of p is x, and value of what to say? P also x. So x get cancelled, so answer will be what? 1. Then is equal to p by b. So p means x, and b also x, because this is, you see, p also x and b also x. So x cancels, so answer will be. So in place of tan A, I can write what? 1. Yes or no? So next we need the value of what to say? We need the value of cot of b. So cot b means what? B by p. Cot b means b by p. So for angle b, because of angle b, you have to see this triangle. This triangle. So value of base is for x, and value of p also x. So means x by x cancel, answer will be. So 1 by 1. So if you simplify this means root over 2 by 2 means 2. Sorry, root over 2 by 2 means 1. If you divide same number, always answer will 1 come, and 1 by 1 also 1. So 1 minus 1, so answer will be what? 0. very easy, but be careful to consider what is the base and height. For angle A, for angle A, you have to consider this triangle, and for angle B, you have to consider this triangle. Right? So what answer I got? I got answer is what? I got answer is 0. So which means which option will be correct? Option A will be correct. Okay.